channel. We are driving along, looking at these nice cars. Everybody's getting these nice, beautiful cars and fixing them up and trucks and stuff. Is this the year? Is this that year? Look at this. You see that yellow? Oh my gosh, this is pretty. You see that? They are fixing these cars up. These cars are nice. Seems like everybody's getting new cars. Anyway, this is Shy's Ride Along. Y'all know it is Grind Flow Shop Flow. The grind never ends. You guys already know. Also, don't forget about that $400 cash giveaway when you go watch all these videos and give a comment. That's how you're going to get that $400 cash. Also, if you're new to the channel, thank you for dropping in. I'd like it if you subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. If you're not new to the channel, myself, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Give us some thumbs up, make some comments. Ask me questions, ask me what's going on. I'm glad to tell you things, talk to you, and everything is going on. Who's speaking this? He obviously is going to sit there and wait till the road runs out and jump in front of me. See how stupid these motherfuckers are driving? They got these nice new cars, but they're tearing them up too. I see when I went to Chevy dealership to get my wife's second key to her track, they got a Charger sitting up front, a white Charger. Now they get a Charger. Because I would have got that Charger. I would have downsized from the truck to a car. And of course it was regular. I don't even think it was anything. It wasn't an SRT or none of that either. So I probably would have got that. Would have had to been an SRT or 392 SRT. But anyway, it was nice looking though, guys. So listen, if you guys are looking for a Dodge Charger, go down to Chevy dealership and let them put you in the game. Some really good guys down there. Go down there and ask for Jerry. Jerry get you hooked up, get you a nice ride. So you can enjoy it. And there we are in the hood, but it does no good. You already know. We are in the hood, and the sun is going to beat my neck off. It's going to cook my face. I always have to sit in the fucking sun. Shit!
TFS 101.
I always gotta get in the sun and sit. Why every time the light change on me, I have to be in the sun, guys.
On the pad side.
Shit is hot. I'm gonna do something about that shit.
TFS 100. TFS 101 on the pad side.
Try not to get stopped by no more damn lights, I'll tell you that. I ain't never gonna get to work at no fucking 6 o'clock. Nobody. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Man, stop in the fucking. Well, we're in the shade. We got some shade. We got some shade. We got some shade. And it's burning up as it was.
7511. Status check, sir. 555.
That's a pretty color. That was a pretty color blue car.
7511. You receipt?
Hyundai. Hyundai is stepping the game up. I don't know if their shit's running right though. Their styles is looking good.
$75.11, sir. What's the name of that address that you're located at? What's the name of that building, sir? My location?
My
What's the
location?
name of the building? I have the address. What's the name of the property? It's the President Supermarket.
President Supermarket. motherfuckers come over here to the United States and act like they don't, they still ain't trying to learn English. This is where you want to fucking live. This is America. This is not goddamn Africa or fucking Somalia or fucking China or fucking Mexico. This is not none of that shit. You want to be an American, talk to fucking American, try to understand it. Let us understand you better. They don't. They get over here and still be trying to talk their language, act like they don't understand what the fuck you saying. I really hate that shit when they do that. That's how they do. Mind you now, I'm not a bigot, I'm not prejudiced, I'm not Archie Bunker. But if you're gonna be here, goddamn act like you wanna be here. And cut out all that bullshit. Sit up here with the old people, talk to Mr. Chester. They be out there, they be sitting out there drunk, they probably drunk in cool pie right now. They been drinking all day. What the hell? You drink all that hot ass liquor and beer and shit in this hot ass sun. Listen, I drink wine, but I'm gonna sit in my motherfucking house with the AC on. And I'm gonna drink it. I get hot then. So I can only imagine drinking that hot ass liquor and sitting out in this motherfucking sun. That's got to be crazy. Too crazy. Super duper crazy. See all the people out on their motorcycles and scooters and bikes and everything. Everybody's out rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. It's a damn sun. Sun. Sun is ridiculous. It ain't ridiculous, guys. It's redunculous. Oh, the sun is redunculous. It is just really too many cars on the street. Everybody has a car because everybody can get one these days. They pass them out like candy. I just said I don't mess with the popo. Damn sun done baked my goddamn face. Nigga, get your ass out the street. I'll run you the fuck over. You fucking kidding me? You know how high this truck is? I barely seen that motherfucker. He almost got ran over for real. Alright guys, y'all already know the routine. Well, I guess I can take y'all up inside of here. I don't vlog on the properties anymore. I don't vlog bounty hunting either because I'm not allowed to do either or. Looks like it's gonna rain on back up in here. The rest of the place is fucking sun. Burn your fucking face off. Oh, damn bumps and shit. Man, come on, goddamn. Fuck. Nigga ride like he. What the fuck? Today is Thursday. Oh, they done fucked the gates up again. This is what they do. They are always fucking the gates up here. Up in here. Up in here, up in here. So, I ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, bitch, you better be paying attention. Cause I'll run all over top of that motherfucker. Trying to be over here cute in that damn thing. Slingshot. Should've showed it to y'all. I got the camera turned all crazy and shit. Not straight away. So I ain't parking with it by that one.
7511 CD's en route, sir. 7511. Sir, 7511. This car, go ahead.
7511, go ahead.
Sir, PD is en route. You got it all?
She should stop talking to him. He's acting real fucking dumb.
Sir, PD is the route to your location to assist you. Oh, honey, PD, my location.
She should stop talking to him. He's making me mad.
Sir.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Do not forget about that $400 cash giveaway when you go back and read watch all my videos. Put a comment beside them and send them to me, and you get that $400. Y'all already know, just like that, this is over.